Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you're all safe and sound. And according to our today's lesson planner, we have part B, question number 1, and part C, question number 1 and 2. So let's move towards our first question, which is match the idioms in column A with the idioms with the meanings in the column B. Some of the idioms are given in column A and their meanings are given in column B. We will match the idioms with their meanings. Number 1 is on the ball. On the ball means to be alert or to be well informed about something. When you have information about something, then we can say that you're on a ball. On the mend means to be recovered or to be recovering after an illness. When someone gets recovered after the sickness, then that means that he is on the mend. On velvet means to be in favorable state, to be in a good state. On call means to be available for duty. When you are on duty, that means you are on call. On edge means to be very nervous, to be very anxious about something. On the dot means to be punctual, to be on time. And on the job means to be doing something or to be doing something like a job or a work. So these were the idioms and these were the meanings. Let's move towards our part C now. Alright, we are on part C now. Part C is about the given tenses. We know that we have simple present, simple past, present continuous, and past continuous, and many other tenses. But today we are going to study about simple past, simple present, present continuous, and simple future. So first of all, before starting, we should know that what we are going to use in a simple past. If there is a second form in a sentence, then that means it is a simple past. If the sentence is in the past, is written in the past. If there is only first form in the sentence, then that means it's simple present. If there is will or shall with first form of verb, then that means it's simple future. And if there is, are, or am with first form of verb plus ing, like is running, are running, I am running, like this, then it is present continuous. For example, that's the first sentence of simple future, like he will walk tomorrow. He will walk tomorrow. So this is simple future. Like in simple present, if I say I eat an apple, eat is the first form. In simple past, I'll change the same sentence. I ate an apple. So I have used the second form. And in present continuous, I can say that I am eating an apple. And simple future will be I will eat an apple. So this was the quick summary of the tenses. Let's move forward towards the question now. Okay, the first part is she went to the circus last week. So we have the second form of verb. So that means that this sentence is simple past. Number 2 is she usually goes to the circus when it comes here. We have first form of verb goes. I've used es with it because I'm talking about a singular subject, she. That's why. So goes is the first form of verb with es. So this is simple present. What is she doing now? We have used is and ing and first form plus ing. So this is present continuous. She's doing her washing. Again, I have used is and ing, first form plus ing. So that means present continuous. Will she come to the cinema with us? That means I have used will with first form of verb. So that means this is simple future. She will come if you ask her nicely. Again, I have used here will and the first form of verb. That means this is simple future. I will go and ask her tomorrow. Now, again, I have used will and the first form of verb, which is go. So this is simple future again. I am doing my homework now. I have used here am and the first form plus ing. That means again this is present continuous. I hope you understood this one. Second form means simple past. First form means simple present. Is or am with first form plus ing means present continuous. And will or shall with first form of verb means simple future. Let's move towards question number 2 now. Now before taking question number 2, let's read the given instruction over here. Do you remember the difference between the simple present and the present continuous tense? If not, then let me tell you again. Simple present, for example, I go to the school every day. It has first form of verb. And simple and present continuous, like I am going to school now, it has first form of verb plus ing and the use of is, are and am. Like here I have used am with ing. So what we are going to do over here, we have some of the hints that are given over here. We will change the given words into a sentence. We will make sentences of these given words using these given words into the tenses that are given in the brackets. For example, go and school are given. We will make a sentence using these two words and we will use the tense simple present tense. We will change this into a simple present tense. Let's see how I have changed this one. So I have changed it like this. I go to school every day. I have used the word go and school, and I have changed these two words within a sentence, and now the sentence is I go to school every day, and this is in simple present tense. Now the second one is we will use go and school in a sentence, but this time we will change it into a present continuous tense. I am going to school now. I have used am and first form plus ing, so it will be I am going to school now. I have changed it into a present continuous tense. Give mother present. These are three words, and birthday. So what are we going to do now? We will change them into a simple present tense. Let's see how to change it. I usually give my mother a present on her birthday, or I give my mother a present on her birthday. I have used the first form of verb over here, so I have changed the sentence into a simple present tense. Next one is write letter uncle. We will change this tense into these words into present continuous tense. I am writing a letter to my uncle. I have used am again and ing, first form plus ing. So I am writing a letter to my uncle. I have changed it into a present continuous tense. Eat lot of rice Sundays. We will change these words into a sentence which is according to present, simple present tense. I eat a lot of rice on Sundays. And the last one is wear a new pair of trousers. We will change it into present continuous tense. I am wearing a new pair of trousers today. Alright, I have used am and first form plus ing, and this is how we are going to change some of the sentences in simple present and simple present and present continuous tense. I hope you understood today's lesson related to idioms and the tenses, and recheck your answers after writing down on your books. Thank you so much for listening.